Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by enabling NFC and getting ready. Open Settings and turn NFC on under Connections. Make sure your phone is charged above 20% and that the screen won't lock while you test, because interruptions break writes. Once enabled, install a lightweight NFC utility app to read and write tags. This gives you direct controls versus relying on background system behavior. You'll also grab the tag you plan to use, NTag 213 or equivalent, so you can proceed immediately to writing. Once the app is open, pick the record type, URL for web links, text for notes, or Android intent for actions, and enter the exact payload because typos matter. Move your phone slowly to find the NFC antenna spot, then place the tag on that area and hold steady until the app confirms a successful write. Make sure to test the written action immediately. If the tag supports locking or passwords, configure those now to prevent accidental overwrites, unless you need it editable later. Finish by testing the tag across a couple of phones and operating system versions to ensure consistent behavior. This helps catch compatibility issues. Mount the tag on a flat, non-metal surface and position it so users can place phones naturally. Metal and thick cases often block reads. If a tag doesn't work, rewrite it first, then confirm the tag type matches your payload and check for battery-saving features or NFC being disabled. Finally, update the NFC app or phone OS. Often that clears odd failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.